The 1907 Double Eagle Gold Coin. In 1904, President Theodore Roosevelt, feeling that the current American coinage lacked artistic merit, asked U.S. Mint Director George Roberts to commission friend and sculptor Augustus St. Gaudens to redesign coins that could be changed without congressional approval. The most famous and spectacular coin to emerge from St. Gaudens' work was the Double Eagle Gold Coin, a $20 gold piece that debuted in 1907. It's hailed as the most beautiful U.S. coin ever minted. The Mint issued the ultra-high relief Double Eagle in 2009 to bring St. Gaudens' full and masterful design to life. This feat wasn't previously possible due to limitations in minting technology. The 1964 Kennedy Half Dollar. Within hours of the assassination of President John F. Kennedy, Mint Director Ava Adams phoned Chief Engraver Gilroy Roberts, informing him that consideration was being given to depicting Kennedy on one of the larger U.S. silver coins. 5 days later, Adams called Roberts again and authorized the project, explaining that Jacqueline Kennedy preferred that her husband be depicted on the half dollar. First minted in 1964, the Kennedy half dollar, designed by Roberts and his successor, Frank Gasparo, is still produced today. The original Kennedy half dollar contained 90% silver, with the silver content falling to 40% in 1965 and 0 in 1971. The 2021 Gold and Silver American Eagle Coins. In conjunction with the 35th anniversary of the American Eagle Coin Program, the reverse sides of the gold and silver American Eagle coins are being redesigned to incorporate anti-counterfeiting technology during the production process. The redesigned coins will be released in 2021. If you currently own these two gold and silver coins, your holdings could become even more precious. If you don't have any gold or silver eagles in your portfolio, your time to purchase them as they're currently designed could be running out sooner than later. Call U.S. Money Reserve today to learn more about buying gold and silver American Eagles. And click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about making any gold, silver, or platinum purchase.